Hey guys, Dusty with High Tech. Just want to show you, we're not really Italian oriented, but we had a special request from a Maserati dealer here in San Diego. We have a car that was low voltage, and then basically they went to go jump start it, and after that it would not start at all. And then it had some fault codes in the engine computer as well as the remote frequency module. So if we can go down to that, the frequency hub, for the immobilizer data mismatch. So what we ended up doing, and we can fix this now because it took us a while to kind of get this figured out, the data gets scrambled because of the battery voltage. So there's the battery in the back, but what ended up happening to do is the remote hub module, that's that guy, it's on top of the hat shelf area, so you have to remove the hat shelf to get access to it. But once we got that out, we were able to fix the information, and basically from low voltage it scrambles all the data inside, so it took us a while to figure out how to fix it. We fixed and repaired the information and got everything back in, cleared the fault codes, and it started up like normal. So if you do have this issue, I'm going to post the fault codes in the description as well, and our contact information. But this is a 2016 Maserati Ghibli, and we would basically just need that module as well as the keys for the vehicle and get this thing fixed. All right, if you guys have any questions, let us know. Thanks guys, take care.